Hi guys, good morning. Chan. Chan. Hi Kuya Ma'am. Hi guys, this is my view right now. I have my luggage here. And then, yep, that's my hard hat. Guys, we're now hours away from our... sige. Thank you, Chan.
Hi, kilometer guys.
Plus, do you think your baggage is?
7.5. Siguro estimated 7 point something.
Ako ah?
Oo.
Mga 7.2.
Sa'yo, Big. Sa'yo.
Nakilan ako na yung mga 6.
Ay, sana all.
Kiluhan sa tao lagi.
Malaman.
So we are now here in front of the waiting area where we are waiting here for our backpacks.
We got our tickets already and yep, we're going. Let's go.
Ano, Tara?
Ano? Manila.
Tara?
Manila after exams. Wow! Guys, naka-full version si JB. Parang.
T-shirt. Dapat dito notebook na ko.
Lanyard.
Things are
Hi, Kuya Man. We're now going. Bakit siya nag-red? Hi!
Wala siya, kaya hindi siya kasama.
Nabuhor siya.
Love?
Shout out to Joms, to Yana, to Nor,
Ay,
to Kate, to Moy.
where are we?
Okay?
Where are we?
Bro, we were at the airport in Jensen. I think a few minutes away na lang. Then we're gonna plane and then hello Manila.
No, we will go at 9:15 daw. Napa-early ang flight.
Oh, I see.
Guys, mag-club minihana dito.
Watch out. Asa ta sa silo?
Yeah.
Ano man like foreshadowing, guys? Silo.
Si Chan, ibili naman si Chan kaya mag-date man siya. Date siya sa... Asa ka mag-date,
Asa
Chan?
ka mag-date, Chan?
Sabi sa ano?
Not. Intramuros daw sila tapos ka ng closed door, closed window,
Naka-open.
lights on or lights off?
Lights.
Hala.
What unsa to ang first na i-order niyo? First food. Nakakainin.
Chick, Mr. Chick.
Mr. Chick.
Yeah, tapos mag-claim niya itong sa TikTok, itong bato-bato pic, tapos
Tama!
magtagal.
Tama di agos.
Guys, sana mong plane. I don't know if you can see.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi nyo makita. But our plane is here. So big.
Bye, guys. See you
Bye.
later.
Membership, 600k. Ang bahalang pagbili ng yate.
Faces on a broken screen. Everyone's got some.
Call it the three major island chain. So Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Okay? And then you have the monument of Rizal on the center. He's holding a book. The book represents
Another point of view. Hi, Jay.
What's up? Nandito kami sa Manila para mag-Tagalog.
Then the controversial building. This one is at the back. Like that one. So I think like became controversial because the view is like parang photo bomber na yung ganon. So yeah. Yan. Just quick facts.
No, I'm too shy for that kind of... Shoutout kay J-Star, guys! Idol ako si J-Star!
I-post na eh.
Kay kagad! Wah!
Sige daw.
Jace, pagdagad ko, Jace.
Sige daw, sige daw.
Manila!
What the hell?
Wah!
Okay, let's...
30, ano yan? Go na ka?
Thank you.
So today, we're here sa, asa ta? Intramuros. Tapos si, hi, sir, hi sir.
Vlogger.
Vlog, yes. Say hi.
Hi! So,
Kay ano yan? Kay Hana?
Yeah.
Hi Hana. Manila, you're so lucky to see this. I-ano ni Hi post?
Yes. Guys, excited na si Chan kay magkita na sila sa iyang Bebe Loves.
Hala ka, Shams! Oh my God!
Ito kong friend niya.
Sigod. How do you crave for a love that's Hey John Ray,
Hello po.
say hi to vlog.
Hello sa vlog ni Yana.
Yes, correct. How do you grieve for a love that did not even exist? Was there a lifetime waiting for us?
Close.
Very
1, 2,
supportive.
3. Okay.
Wow.
Okay? So,
Noite cai sobre o rio, luzes acendem no céu. Bossa nova ecoa, corações se rendem ao véu. Saudade vem devagar, como brisa fresca do mar. Amor na cidade que
Establishment. We're at Terry and we're going to Korea.
Hi guys, so now we're here at Manila Prince Hotel. Finally.
Nakapag-check-in na kami ng hotel. We'll give you a tour later. Tour tayo.
Fun po siya guys. Very... Mark! Say hi. Hi. Dano.
Hi guys, so namin karoon dito sa Manila Ocean Park.
Manila Ocean Park.
Ano yung tanong ulit?
Manila Prince.
Saan ka po ngayon?
Manila Prince Hotel.
Currently, dito po kami sa Manila Prince Hotel.
Manila Princeton. Mag-ilis, so
Princeton.
yeah, mag-swimming yun niya.
Tara na. Ang balak po namin ngayong
Anong balak?
matulog at magpahinga.
Uy.
So kung makikita niyo po ngayon, ito yung natin sa Manila Ocean Park. Hey guys,
Tayo mga inaanak, dito kami ngayon sa Manila Prince.
10 years from now, makita niyo muli.
Dito pumunta yung nanay at tatay mo.
Guys, among room. Wait. Yeah, like that. Okay, this is our room. Okay lang. Okay. I go.
Oh, okay.
Oopsie!
Okay, so we have our mirror here. Like, parang...
We're going, guys. Hi, Kim. Say hi, Kim. Hi. Okay, let's go.
Anong date?
Hindi kami nagdala ng essentials.
Yeah.
Our hotel. Sarado sila. Tayo sa essentials. Oy, bakit ka nandito?
Hello! Caught on cam.
Wala kaming maligo.
Are you here? Congrats po! Welcome
Kamusta
po!
ang biyahe?
Welcome po, April! Welcome po, Rookie!
Mabuhay! Even,
Si Ru
how's the flight?
Okay pare.
Feature namin!
Restaurant!
We're ordering food.
Si Hannah magbayad dito ng kainin namin dun sa Mali. Oy.
Me. Nag-order kami, guys.
Trying the rock, paper, scissors trend from TikTok.
Patay, hindi ka lang ng
Tara.
Game start. Kita ka na ba ng laser?
Hello!
Move doon kaya, move doon. Dito. 2, 3, go!
What the frick?